series, all right? So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell button so you can get a notification whenever I post my next video. It could be the video that I make for you. So every like and comment goes a really long way, so I really appreciate it. Every time you like and comment, it helps the YouTube algorithm send this video and display it to people just like you who might be interested in African culture, Igbo names, things like that. So I appreciate you guys helping me out and helping the YouTube algorithm out do what it does, right? So thanks a lot. If you like watching this video, please hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead, all right? Yeah, so please feel free to share this video with anyone who might be interested. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys' support of this YouTube channel that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.